whatever you lost, you're going to get back double. If you're seeing this message, guess what? Guess what? This is a message for you. This didn't come up on your For You page by accident. There's 8 billion people on the planet. You and I are here together. God has something He wants to say to you. You lost something. Or maybe you feel lost right now. And God is saying to you, this space of loss, this feeling of loss, is a space of transformation. You haven't lost anything at all because you are going to get back double. God is going to pay you back double for everything that you have lost. And if you are feeling lost right now, you are simply in a place where you are letting go of identities, belief systems, values that no longer serve you. Don't get too attached to people, places, things, beliefs, ways of thinking, careers. Try to be flexible because all that you can see is what's in front of you. God can see, Spirit can see, divine intelligence can see the entire 1,000,000-foot view of your life from start to finish. It already knows. It's already occurred. It's divine destiny. So if there are things that are falling away from your life, let them go. If there are things you are holding on to that don't work anymore, let them go. This space of in between is a preparation space. Are you going to stay in faith when it's hard? Are you going to have a defeated mindset? Or are you going to stay in a place of faith and say, I may not know right now, I may be confused right now, but I know that God is still on the throne and I know that He's been there before for me and He will be again. So I am not going to go into this poor little old me mindset. And if you are losing something or lost something, trusting that nothing is ever lost and anything that is ever taken from you is going to be given back to you in a double portion. Will you stay in faith? Will you join your mind with me right now and believe with me that things are turning around for you right now in your favor? That God is going to pay you back double, that clarity is coming, that healing is coming, that God is restoring health, God is restoring finances, God is restoring families, God is restoring marriages, God is restoring your child. Don't doubt the good that's on its way to you now. God bless you.